Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas, 12 days of Halloween. Today is day 4 and our theme is spiderwebs. So let's reveal the nails and see what I'm doing today. I'm looking like a black manicure. Okay, so this is a really fun kind of sheer jelly-like sandwich manicure. So first up, we're going to start with one coat of a sheer black polish that uses like a jelly consistency. I am using Sugar Hangover by Painted Phalanges that also has a sprinkling of glitter in it. I am doing about 2 coats to just really get started here and get a good dark base going. Then we're going to let that dry, and I'm going to show you the tool that I'm going to be using today, and it is the Short Detailer Orly nail art brush. I love this thing. It has become one of my best friends when doing nail art. So I'm going to use that brush and some white acrylic paint and start to paint a spider web in the corner of my nail. Now this is going to be something that I'm going to do over and over again in this video, and so I'm going to speed it up eventually, but what we're going to do is sandwich these spider webs so we create different layers of colors, so different intensities of a black or a gray. So I'm also going to have like a little graphic here in the corner showing you kind of the steps that I do when I am making a spider web, so you guys can mimic this no matter what angle you are doing the spider web from. So I hope that little bit on the corner is helping you out. Now that that is dry, I'm going to go ahead and go over with that same Sugar Hangover polish by Painted Phalanges, and you can see that really deepened the color of the spider web. So now that that is dry, I'm going to go ahead and put on another spider web anywhere you want at this point. I did about 3 webs per nail, and if you wanted to do a full web, then you might just do 1, but that's all up to you, and it's fun to kind of play with the placement and the layering of it, because now the first one that we did, it looks much darker than the second one, and of course now the third one looks really bright. So just continue this action until you are happy and content with the overall manicure. And then once you are happy and content with it, you can go ahead and put on your choice of a top coat. I did go with a shiny top coat this go around, so we're going to apply that, and then you have our full final spiderweb manicure. The really fun thing about this one is that you can't necessarily tell that it's a Halloween manicure from afar, but up close you can tell you're pretty festive. So that is it for day 4. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here for day 5. Bye!